Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this lecture, and in this lecture I am going to discuss some principal causes of environmental pollution. And as you all know that environmental pollution is of different types like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, thermal pollution, radioactive pollution and all that. I will mainly discuss here some principal causes of thermal pollution, radioactive pollution, noise pollution and light pollution. Now let's start with some principal causes of thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is actually a kind of water pollution. Okay, so there are different causes of the thermal pollution of the water. The first one is nuclear power plants. In nuclear power plants, power is generated by the use of energy generated from the nuclear fission reactions. These nuclear fission reactions heat up the water. From the water, steam is generated, and that steam spins the large turbines to generate the electricity. Okay, so that is the principle on which nuclear power plants works. And in this process, so the water is heated up, and when that heated up water is discharged into the water bodies without prior cooling, then it may cause thermal pollution. Besides that, drainage from hospitals, research institutes, nuclear tests and explosions also discharge so much heat into the water bodies and can also lead to thermal pollution of the water. Now next is coal-fired plants. These are also termed as thermal power plants, and in these plants electricity is generated by burning the coal. Coal is burnt and water is heated up. That heated water produces steam, and that steam is used for running the turbines. Okay, that is the same principle that is used in nuclear power plants. Now the water that is heated up, if when discharged into the water bodies without any prior treatment, then it may cause water pollution. Now next is industrial effluents. There are different kinds of industries like textile industries, paper industry, sugar industry, and these all kinds of in these kinds of industries, water is used as coolant. After using water as coolant, when hot water is discharged into the water bodies without prior cooling, then it may raise the temperature of the water bodies and thus leads to thermal pollution of the water. Such type of water also contains heavy organic load, and these organic load can also deteriorate the quality of the water, deplete the dissolved oxygen in the water, and thus such type of water becomes unfit for living of aquatic organisms. Now next is domestic waste. Sometimes the water that is discharged from houses may have higher temperature from the normal temperature, and when such type of waste is discharged into the water bodies as such, that may also lead to raising the temperature of the water bodies, and due to the rise in temperature, the dissolved oxygen in water can deplete, and thus the water becomes unfit for living of aquatic organisms. Now next are some causes of radioactive pollution. Now in the nuclear power plants, the fission reactions that are used, they utilize radioactive elements, and these radioactive elements produce radiations, and when these radioactive elements are somehow added up into the environment due to accidental leakage, then it causes radioactive pollution. Besides this, the pollution may be caused by underwater nuclear weapons, their testings and explosions. Now next is radioactive waste. The waste that is generated from nuclear power stations may contain radioactive elements, and when such type of waste is discharged into the environment without any prior removal of these radioactive elements, then these radioactive elements added up into the environment, they produce harmful radiations and thus causes radioactive pollution. Now next is radioisotopes. Actually radioisotopes, if not properly handled, they can also produce radiations into the environment and cause the radioactive pollution. Now next is television set, or we can also say that we are naturally surrounded by so many kinds of radiations. Natural radioactivity of the earth, cosmic radiations that are coming from the space. We can't escape ourselves from such kind of radiations, and this phenomena is termed as disturbing background, and this cannot be controlled. Besides that, we are also exposed to artificial radiations that are emitted from the equipments that have been generated by us. Like here is the example, television. Television also create so much radiations, and these radiations can even cause cancer. Now next are some principal causes of noise pollution. Now industries. In the industries, there are different kinds of industries, and in these industries or factories, various devices, equipments or machines are used, and these machines produce unbearable or intolerable sound. Here are some examples like mechanical, pneumatic drills, saws, rotating belts, etc. And thus that all noise adds to the noise pollution. Next are household utilities. In the houses also there are so many devices or gadgets are used that produce unpleasant kind of sound, and also disturb the peace of mind, like pressure cookers, washing machines, mixing grinders, coolers, refrigerators, sewing machines, vacuum cleaners, etc. And these also add noise to the environment and thus causes noise pollution. Next is transportation. There are various vehicles that produce unpleasant sound like cars, buses, trucks, etc. Thus add noise to the environment and cause noise pollution. Next is public address and alarm system. In many countries, public address and alarm systems are used carelessly, and they use sounding equipments, mics, etc. At various occasions like birth, marriage, death rites, while advertising or while religious functions. They produce so much sound, and these sound are unpleasant and adds to the noise into the environment. And even during the elections and demonstration, they use public address systems, and these public address systems are also disturbing. Next is social events. Social events like parties, concerts, or festive events. These on these events also the generation of loud noise can cause noise pollution. Now next are some principal causes of light pollution. Now first one is urban sky glow. In the urban areas, so much artificial lights are used, and these artificial lights make the make the make it impossible to see the actual uh, wonders of night sky, and thus adds to the light pollution. Next is light trespass. Light trespass means the passing of unwanted light to the ownership of some other. Okay, so when outdoor lights of homes are kept on, and they can disturb the neighbors, and this is a kind of light pollution. Besides that, the dipped headlights and street lamps also produce disturbing environment during the night sometimes, and this is also a kind of light pollution. Now next is over illumination and excessive lighting that is used by the buildings that may produce over illumination, and thus can cause light pollution. Next is glare. If unprotected light is used, then that light may cause reflection and can create difficulty in visibility, and also can cause blindness. Okay, so this is also a kind of light pollution. So these all are different causes of radioactive, thermal, light and noise pollution. Okay, thank you.